These are acrylic bowls within a bowl. What do I mean by that? This is what you're getting, a bowl with an insert. So you fill the bottom bowl with ice cubes, and then you put your insert inside. And then whatever's inside this insert stays cold without getting watered down, because the ice is below in its own bowl, and what you're keeping cold is in the top bowl. So this is a remarkable purchase, 2 16-ounce upper bowls and 2 32-ounce lower dip bowls. So let me show you what you're getting. You're not getting one of these for that price. You're getting 2 for that price. They're right here. So you're getting 2 of these acrylic bowls on ice. And you wouldn't necessarily have to use it on ice. You could also use the lower bowl just for serving, whatever you'd like to do. But it's designed to work as a system if you choose to work with it that way. Let's invite in Tara Tescher, who's joining us live via Skype, to tell us more about this clever concept. And Tara, I don't care what anybody says, and I don't care that there's 2 feet of snow outside. I know warm weather's coming. We're going to be outside. We got to keep it cold.
You're absolutely right. I actually did a whole drinking station over here. That's where I'm ready for the warm weather. And I love what you were saying, right? I use these pieces all year round. In the summertime, of course, I put ice in the bottom of that 32-ounce. I stack that lid right on top of here. Here's what we love. We partnered with the On Ice group, who actually designed and created this for us, which I love. We put our beautiful pattern on it. But for me, it was the guacamole, the salsas, the sour creams, the things that we want to keep nice and cold when we're outside. You now can do it with this brilliant system. And as you mentioned, we're getting both of them. We have great colors, and we mixed your pattern of Old World and Floral Lace.
Yeah, when Tara mixes both patterns, she calls that classic, right?
Classic.
So it's classic.
Yes.
And I don't believe we have the blue down below. So blue is up here. Blue's up top. Folks, take a look right here real quickly. Here's your blue. It'll be a combination of Old World and Floral Lace. 1,100 in the blue. Here is your set of 2 in the red. 1,200 red. Here's the set of 2 in the black. Fewer than 700. Here's the green. 600. Here's what Tara collects, the confetti. 550. Love. And are we calling this last one a patriotic? Patriotic.
That's patriotic, yes.
And that is my favorite, fewer than 400.
Mine
so
too.
Lots of you making your choice now, and I love these, Tara, because even if you're not going outside right now because, you know, it's like 2 degrees and 3 feet of snow, maybe you're going to be having taco night inside. You want to keep the sour cream cool. This is a way to do that. If you want to be able to keep a dip or a dessert cool, or in those situations, that would be fine. Now, here's my question. Is this designed just for cold, not necessarily for warm?
Correct. So this is for cold. You're going to want to fill that bottom reservoir. You can see the ice peeking through there. And then you're going to layer that other bowl, that 16-ounce bowl on top. When you do that, that actually creates that kind of enclosed system that's going to help keep everything colder longer. So that's why we call it on ice. You really want to be able, with the partnership of the acrylic, and of course the ice, you can keep your shrimp cocktails cold that you see there. Some of your delicate things that you might not want sitting out in the heat, you now of course could bring outside and not have to worry about it. Your cold dips. We have our Dip Hooray on QVC.com. This is our delicious pickle dip that we did right there. Now that's going to stay nice and cold. And 16 ounces, that's a nice large size, and 32 ounces underneath there. So as you mentioned, if you want to use it without ice, that's fine. You can use these as 4 separate dip bowls or put them together for a 2-bowl system.
I don't know if you all have ever had pickle dip, but it's about the best thing on the planet. Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is.
I love me some pickle dip. So this
delicious.
Is really extraordinary. And if you were doing, say, a shrimp cocktail for a party, putting ice down below, putting cocktail sauce in the middle, and then not fan folding, but just hooking your shrimp all the way around the bowl would be great. If we can bring Mary's mic up, she's got a question for you, Tara. So we'll bring Mary's mic up now. And Mary, what you got?
Actually, first of all, hey, Tara. Second of all,
hey there,
these
Mary.
are 2 amazing suggestions. Number 1, Rebecca Smith said these are incredible.
Incredible. Yeah.
And second of all, Anne Michelle said, is anyone else thinking of keeping martinis cold in these Temp-tations serving bowls with ice? Oh.
That's my girl. That's my
Hello.
girl. I did a whole bar study. Hey, by the way, everyone, public service announcement. It is National Margarita Day tomorrow. So I jumped the gun and made some margaritas.
I'm dancing for the margaritas and the, martinis in the martinis in the bowl.
Thank you, Anne Michelle.
Woo! Oh, good suggestions. All right.
Love her.
Hey, we are very, very busy. In fact, 1,500 of these are gone, and I have this for you in the set of 2 blue. 950 remain here. This is clearance price. When they're gone for good. Get them while you can. Here is the red. Fewer than 1,000. Next to that is the black. 500 in the black. Then the green. 500 in the green. Then I've got confetti. 300. And then finally, oh, we just sold out of patriotic.
Oh, it's so fun. Love that. Summertime. Does that not just scream summertime?
I'm telling you what, Tara, I'm hoping this summer the patriotic barbecue will be back.
Yes, I'm hoping. I'm hoping as well, my friend.
I'm hoping. So, yeah, I didn't have my barbecue last summer because of obvious reasons. So this is your opportunity to enjoy. Don't miss out on this opportunity. We're excited that we've got these for you. The capacity of the inner bowl, Tara, is how much?
Yeah, so your 2 bowls. The smallest one is going to be 16 ounces, which is a nice, generous size. Your larger one is going to be 32 ounces. We do recommend that you hand wash these. They are that great acrylic, and it is a 2-part system. When you want to use it, fill that bottom with ice, drop a bowl right on top of it. That encloses everything and keeps this nice and cold for a long time. So here we did strawberries and cherries. Are you already in the margarita? What happened?
Well, that noise you heard could be margarita. But I just wanted to show you again. The ice cubes go down below like so. See?
Got it. Yep.
Here are your ice cubes. And then you take that 16-ounce bowl and you nestle it right on top so the cold from the ice cubes keeps the pickle dip at the optimum temperature. I love me some pickle dip.
You got to put the pickle dip on your burger.
Right? Well, that is if you're not already putting guac on there, but if you really want to get messy, put both. I mean, why not?
Hey, no judgment.
It'd be like a gwickle or guacamole pickle. A gwickle.
A gwickle. Hashtag gwickle.
Hashtag gwickle burger. These are now half gone, Tara. Oh, if you want the blue, we're going to do another color store. If you want the blue, I have $7.50. If you want the red, $9.50. Then the black, $3.30. Here's your red. Excuse me, green. $400. Hello. Is it Thanksgiving? I don't know. And then finally, we've got the confetti. 6 dozen left in the confetti. Tara, these are very, very popular. Everybody is grabbing theirs. Always a pleasure to have you back, my darling.
Good to see you, my friend. Take care.
And don't forget hashtag Gwipple burgers.
Gwickle.
Guacamole pickle burgers. All right.
Done.
All right. Time to talk about some great clearance from Rachel Ray. Follow me. I'm going to go this way through the veranda and join you right inside the kitchen again. This is an amazing